Mr. Mahmoud, thank you so much for your time.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.
We would like to ask you about the recent decision issued by the federal authority on the exemption of immigration fines.
This decision came to assist people and to provide to people the way to reduce their fines in the beginning. Then they decided these fines will be zero, no more fines, and to give them the chance to fix their papers and their situation and adjust the visas to be correctly on the legal perspective or the legal way that needs to be done officially.
What type of visas does this decision cover?
You have the tourist visa, you have the employment visa, and you have the family visa. Any violation on those visas, which means the overstay or non-renewing, has to be now adjusted to a new visa with a new employer or an old employer as same. For example, the tourist visa, if you have it on a tourist company and you had an overstay, you did not renew with them and you exceeded the fines will be automatically zero. You can go and speak to them and fix with them a new visa or get a new visa on a new company. Same thing goes with the employment visa. So basically, the government wants you within deadline 60 days to have a proper document in the country with the company.
What other advice would you like to provide to the public in relation of this decision?
The first advice, the government have gave you the fines zero without any applications. Means you don't need to go to any person or clearing company documents or a certain person to reduce or a PRO. This is a zero fines by the government. So avoid first scammers. Don't deal with scammers. Don't deal with someone. I have been listening to many stories that somebody says, come give me 2,000, automatically I'll remove for you. These people exactly using the ignorance of the people in the channel or any other people outside the channel. They think they don't know yet the decision. I'm telling you, this is by the government. You don't need to hire someone or engage someone to reduce your fines. It will be by the government itself. Second thing, make sure the documents you are filing is correct, and at the same time, don't waste the 60 days and lose the timing to adjust your visa. And please follow the 60 days, because after 60 days, you have no excuse and you will be under the crime called overstay or staying illegal in the country. That's a crime as per the criminal law. So you have to fix your papers. If you're not willing or you cannot find a sponsor, then try to travel from the country, and you have to know there's no eye scan on traveling, so you can come back in the future. So please leave the country unless you find a sponsor. If you live in the country, that's a new chance to find a sponsor in the future. Don't stay illegally. And I want the people to have this video to be shared with many, that they know the reality of the information so they don't fall in a wrong procedure.
Thank you so much, Mahmoud. We really appreciate your effort and time.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you very much.